Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. Today we are installing in this video the flywheel of Perkin phaser 4-cylinder engine. It's a bit heavy. Slowly take it up and slide it onto the crankshaft and match the dowel. This is inserted to hold the flywheel during the bolt tightening. The crank won't rotate. You can do the same. Tight all the bolts. And there you can see this spanner inserted to hold the flywheel and stop it from rotating. Thanks for watching the video.